All right, gang, if you are wondering why I'm laying here attached to this octopus-like device, I am doing TruSculpt. TruSculpt is a heat-based RF radio frequency fat removal device, fat reducing device. It is one of the several fat reduction techniques that we use here at PFRANKMD. It certainly falls into the non-invasive category. It is for small areas of fat. I'm a thin, fit person, but we all have little pinches in various areas that bother us. For me, it's on the lower back and in the flank area. I've done this before, and I found it very effective. I'm doing it again. And most common question is people want to know what is the difference between the non-invasive, the invasive, minimally invasive, and really what is the best for you? Well, the best for you is really one that's going to be catered to what your needs. There's no best treatment out there. I always say non-invasive is for teacups, and the minimally invasive domestic microliposuction that I'm known for are for soup bowls and more. Anyone that really needs to look like they lost more than 10 pounds needs to really do the hard work first. Diet, exercise. Domestic microcannular liposuction is for people that need to look like they lost about 5 to 10 pounds. Whereas the non-invasive techniques, particularly TruSculpt, is really those last little pinches, 2, 3, 4, 5 pounds worth. So we have several non-invasive technologies here, both TruSculpt and CoolSculpt. You've heard a lot in the media as of recent about CoolSculpting complications. It freezes the fat. It is a slightly more aggressive treatment. It can be more effective, but there certainly is more potential risk. Risk of making the fat grow, risk of bruising, risk of irregularities in the skin. I will tell you it's probably the device I use the least in my practice. What I love about the TruSculpt device is that it is heat-based. We have never seen anything in the office or in the literature about it making the fat grow. There's always a risk with heat-based devices of burns. We've never seen that. And really, TruSculpt is for very small pinch, that pinch an inch. We use it sometimes after domestic liposuction or for people who do not need anything invasive whatsoever, like me. It's a 15-minute treatment. There are these little squares you'll see in the footage of this that get placed in various spots. So ergonomically, it fits into various areas. I usually tell people do 1 to 2 treatments. You have to think of the heat really affecting the top centimeter of the skin. So if you want to get deeper tissues, usually you do more than 1 treatment. It always takes with non-invasive at least 4 to 6 weeks to start seeing results, but the recovery is minimal to nothing. I am feeling a 6 or a 7 out of 10 in heat, but my staff is keeping me comfortable and attentive, and I know what to expect. And I think that's it. So again, it's about finding the right treatment for you, making sure you go to a place where you have the full spectrum and the full options of both non-invasive and minimally invasive treatments right here at PFRANKMD. I'm going to sleep now.